Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of threads. We go to settings. In this page, if we go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of threads and you will click here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter the storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on clear cache like this. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.